it. Oh, you don't have to untape it. It connects in different ways, right?
Well, which way should we connect it in? Did it do anything? It does something.
There you go.
Yay!
Oh, okay.
And go ahead.
Did that help at
go,
all?
my child, go. Let's see. Let me see. Go on, water.
No.
Go, go, go. No. We need to make it less quick. Oh, wait. We need to wait for that to happen.
It's like so close, isn't it?
No.
It's so slow.
Wait, it takes a second.
Oh, come on.
Yeah. Oh!
So we had to cut the cups right here to allow the straw to bend all the way over.
Yeah.
So keep that in mind, everyone.
I think there were other ways to do that. We could have made the motor higher.
Sometimes it can be. Here we go. Fill up. Stop. Let's try to
Maybe
get
it's
it.
too
short that it's not putting up any
Maybe
water.
you should turn this that way.
Yeah, maybe it's too short. See it again. Come on, fill
I
it
know
up.
what's wrong with it.
We need this to bend.
Explain, what is it?
We need to pull this back so it's carrying the water and it's not just falling out. Second try. There's water in there.
And it's going to get dumped out.
Oh yeah, but then it'll fill back up and maybe second try it'll work. Come on. Oh,
All right,
maybe
let's
it
keep-
needs to be straight.
Unplug it. I think I know what's wrong. I think you have to like really pull it.
So we need to just barely get the water in. But we also need it to try to stay at that height. Yeah. All right, go down.
So now it's not going down enough, right?
Yeah. It just won't now. Now,
Oh, there
try,
it is. Okay.
I'm putting it even further. Let me try something.
It has to go through, doesn't have to go through the hole. Why, is there anything you can do to improve on it? Or you think it works pretty well? What do you think?
Works pretty good.
We did it! It's backwards. Yeah.
It's backwards.
Yes.
What do you mean?
We need water.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Wait, I know.
Does it work?
Yes, it works. Watch this. Ready? Just wait. Watch over here. Oh! I think I can make a thing that rotates the cup a little bit every time. It dumps it out so it waters the whole thing. It totally works.
Oh, that would be cool.